so it's the Future Chef event. It's a Sodexo held healthy cook-off competition for our elementary students. This year we have 4th and 5th grade students participating, and we opened it up to all of the kids in 4th and 5th grade, and we have 9 finalists selected for their Healthy Fiesta Fit recipe. We have 1 hour that we are going to prepare all of your food, so you can go to your stations and get started, okay? Have fun, guys!
We are working on a spicy chicken quesadilla with a dollop of sour cream.
The guidelines really are kid-friendly, ease of preparation, so a recipe that an actual student or child could do on their own with some adult supervision.
Sweet potato empanadas.
Oh, maybe we could put, it has to be healthy, so making lean proteins like ground turkey, ground chicken, really focusing on fruits and vegetable components in their recipes as well.
Good, you having fun? Okay. So that's good on that, right? Corey.
Oh, the plastic, yeah. That's unfortunately the only thing I can find.
What are you making?
Do we have like a pizza
Pork
cutter?
and sweet potato empanadas.
Oh, maybe we could put, you know what I mean? Like put this or get a knife, like a paring knife.
this way. Everybody smile.
I'm gonna look over here.
I'm gonna get. This is for video, so I'm gonna get a little bit. Hold that right there. Thank you very much.
Great.
Good
You
luck
guys
to you
stay
all.
right here.